Now I decided I will make every 10 days later one dropshipping trending product video which is very effective, because if you cannot find a good dropshipping winning product, then you will never get any sales and you will lost lot of money, your time will wasted, your effort, your everything. And I think for the miss guidelines of finding winning product, you will never success in this game. Okay, so that's why my friend, today is the 11. I decided every 10 or 11, then 20 or 21, and then the month of the first day. Okay, like it can be first date of 1 or 2. So this three circle I will make every month 3 dropshipping winning product video. Okay, so today I will share with you a very good dropshipping winning product, which is a very funny product. And you can see that got this for my sister instead of sending her to therapy. First we will see the video. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, this is the car products. Okay, oh yes, you can see it is very funny for entertainment, and to like in the road, for entertain with the peoples of the crowd or the traffic. Okay, so for finding winning products in this video, we will follow 3 steps formula. Okay, just check this 3 steps formula and we will mark for your better understanding. This 3 steps formula is, wait, so we will mark one by one. Okay, so this is our find trending products on Instagram. Okay, so we found a product which is on Instagram is trending. So how we will understand that it's a trending product? So check recent comment. We will check the recent comment. Okay, so the recent comment is 4 hours ago. Okay, good. She won't stop using it. The recent comment is 43 minutes ago. The recent comment is 2 hours ago. If the recent comment is at least 2 weeks, within 2 weeks, then it's the criteria meet that this is a good product. Okay, we can test it. Now then the next criteria is whether this Insta ID selling one product, I mean this specific product only selling. Okay, so now we will go to the Instagram ID. Okay, just close this and we will see that this is the only product that this Instagram ID selling. So, and we will see that the next video is, okay, the same product. I cannot stop using it. Okay, customer is commenting, I want to see this so bad. Okay, so the customer is commenting that it means it has a controversial, someone is talking that it's a good, or someone is checking it's a bad product. So this is a very good systems or symptom that it has a good virality potential, where the customers making controversial comment. Okay, and then we will see the next video, which is 7 comments, and the recent comment also you will check. One day, where can I buy one? Okay, okay, good, she is so childish. Where can I buy this? Okay, so within one day, the comment is very potentially that customers are engaging their wants the products. Okay, and if this product is saturated 1 year ago or even 5 year ago, but you can see these products right now getting a lot of comment, and the good thing is that it's a lot of controversial comment, so it's a good product. Then we will see the next criteria is check their store. So we will go to this product store, which is this is the stores, and we will see that yes, this is still selling this product, and very basic design, very free theme, I think. Yes, and you can see that the customer reviews very basic. So where we can change right now, we will make a very brandable dropshipping store, and in here we will make more benefit of the product, more features and gifts. Only one gifts this guy use, but we can use like more and more gifts and more product description, and the customer benefits is very simple. Okay, I just love this glow hang. Okay, so you can also make more testimonials, more reviews. Okay, frequently asked, more, just add for more frequently asked questions. and also just add real customer reviews, like from looks, okay, and judge me. This types of apps you can use to add more reviews from AliExpress. Okay, so this is a good product. Okay, you definitely need to test it. And our next product will be this month of the date of 20. Okay, because today is the date of 11. So I decided, because winning product is very very important to success in dropshipping. So if you always connected with me in this channel, I hope you will never miss any update winning product. So just try this product and comment below what results you are getting, or after testing, what is the views or engagement you are getting. Okay, and I will see the full systems where the falls. Okay, just subscribe, and if you need any dropshipping help, just comment below, I will help you. Okay, so